very good morning to all the leaders and all the distributors. Happy Euphoria, happy convention, and this is Gladiator Shashank Gotupaka standing in front of you from Team SOL. The most important thing I would like to convey you today through this testimony is all about the five most important points that I would like to convey you all. First one is all about having a clear-cut goal, clear-cut dreams list, goal list. And next is all about challenge list, because these all things pushed me to create a good network in all over the career. And next is all about the second most important point is all about making a proper action plan. A proper action plan. Proper action plan is nothing but activities like regular activities like invitations, presentations, sale closings, because the speed of your business depends upon the speed of your regular activities happening every day. So these regular activities should be more and more. As the count increases, your business will be increasing, the speed of the business will be increasing more and more. The next one is all about become an independent hustler. Because independent leader or independent presenter, independent trainer, whatever it is, this is the basic fundamental to become a leader in network marketing career. Become an independent hustler. The fourth most important point that I would like to tell you, the fourth most important point is all about creating more number of independent business leaders in our team. Because this is the business where we need to duplicate many things. Duplication is the only process that helps in building network marketing career. So creating more number of independent business owners will make your business to a next level thing. And the fifth most point is all about having a right work culture and a proper daily routine with a system. It happens only with system. A proper daily routine happens with a system. And I would also say that the secret of success is not about some kind of XYZ factors not working in our business. The secret of success is all about system. If you are very good at system, following system and implementing system every day, definitely results will be back of you. And this is the five most important points that I started following every day when I was serious in this business, at my career and at my dreams. And these are the five most important points I would like to convey you to follow also and to start implementing. And the next is all about the biggest thing I would like to tell you is all about online or offline. See, today we are working with the two streams, online stream and offline stream. Both are important, but offline can give you more effective work, can connect to many people with emotions and proper kind of thing. A relationship and bond can be created through offline, and online we can do more and more activities, but more effective activity can come from offline meetings and offline. So friends, start taking offline meetings, offline activities, offline board meetings, offline training sessions, whatever it is. Go maximum for offline only. Meet our leaders and meet our SOL family people as soon as possible. Make your plans. And the next most important thing that I would like to say is all about a great thanks and from my bottom of my heart to Mr. Bhupendra Pal sir for guiding me, and Nikhil Pratap Singh sir who always gave all kind of things to develop my career in this network marketing business. Thanks for being inspiration, sir. The next most thing that I would appreciate and be happy for all the team Gladiator core leaders who are taking responsibility and creating more number of independent business leaders in Team Gladiators and transforming many youngsters into leaders of network marketing career. And I am very happy all and we need to do much big things, my dear friends. The most important thing is all about wherever you are, whether you are a senior distributor, director, whatever it is, don't wait, just start. You don't need to be great to start, you need to start to be great. This is Shashank Gotupaka once again. Thank you so much.